The transport of people and goods causes a quarter of total greenhouse gas emissions. It is the fastest growing sector worldwide. Combating climate change is the biggest challenge of the 21st century. If nothing is done, emissions from transport will continue to grow and pose a threat to our climate, to our health and the health of the Earth, and to our ability to achieve sustainable development for current and future generations.
When you look at the challenge of climate change, the next decade will be key to decarbonize faster the transport sector.
The global response is the 2015 Paris Agreement. To achieve the targets of the Paris Agreement of limiting the global temperature increase to well below 2 degrees and aim for 1.5 degrees Celsius, the world has to drastically reduce carbon emissions and decarbonize by the middle of the century. All sectors need to contribute, including transport. To implement the Paris Agreement, countries need to work with other actors like cities and companies. The Transport Decarbonisation Alliance was launched in 2018 to accelerate the worldwide transformation of the transport sector through action and advocacy. It unites leading countries, cities and companies in the quest to bring transport emissions down to zero, to power lives and livelihoods while protecting people and planet.
We want to be at the forefront of the debate about how to decarbonize the transport sector by 2050.
The Transport Decarbonisation Alliance leads by doing and provides a vibrant international network for peer-to-peer learning and partnering. It is a platform for exchange and showcase solutions for transport decarbonization. Members are part of a critical mass for providing thought leadership and shaping decision-making.
Okay, so the unique feature of the TDA is the existence of the three Cs. That's what makes difference from the other networks. It puts together countries, cities, and companies.
All country, city, and company members have shown their commitment to transport decarbonization by signing the Transport Decarbonisation Alliance Charter. The Transport Decarbonisation Alliance accelerates and scales up ambition for the transport sector by outlining a shared vision for frontrunners in transport decarbonization.
That it's very important to get into this alliance, to grow together in this great and challenging goals we have, because we have just one planet.
The Transport Decarbonisation Alliance works together in action through communities of interest. For example, on urban freight, education and guidance on accelerated transport decarbonization.
Let's work together on ambition, acceleration and action. Join me and the TDA in this decade of change towards zero emission. Together, we can make this transformation irreversible.
Join us in raising ambition, action and advocacy towards the decarbonization of the transport sector before 2050. Find out more about the Transport Decarbonisation Alliance on tda-mobility.org.